Alright, gonna do the oil change on the Ram cabin chassis 3500 here. Now you can see at the dealership they didn't bother cleaning the plug off or nothing. Residue there. I already broke it loose earlier, so it's the biggest bucket in the world here. We don't make too much of a mess. Oh yeah, definitely do. Whatever you do, don't wait for them intervals. I would change it, you know, especially if it starts getting real dark. You know, oil's cheap, these shit's expensive. Especially you order that oil on Amazon, you get that Rotel 540 for cheap. Although you should support your local auto parts store for sure. I'm gonna let that drain out. While it's draining out, I'm gonna do the filter. Alright, well, back at you here. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, obviously, is fill this oil filter up. There's the part number. Now, you should use a good fresh jug. That's enough. This is a pretty neat little thing. If you ever seen this, like a plug, so you can slide it in there without making a mess. Don't forget a little oil on that. Right there. Bring you up here. It's tough to see in there, but you get the gist. I already had it loose. What, I'll tell you what, wasn't tight from when they did it. And you know what, I'm gonna need that plug. I'll make a mess everywhere. Shit. I got a feeling I'm still gonna make a mess. Oh yeah. Alrighty. I don't think I can get my hand in there to put this thing in there. I'm too big and clumsy. God darn it. I'm gonna have to put you down. it back up here. I got it on there. Alright. Just snug it, that's all you need. And you should be able to pull it right out without making a huge mess. There you go, not too bad. Oh, by the way, it's my first one. My first ever Cummins oil change. I was a Ford guy my whole life. And of course my tripod's broke. Alright, let's see how hard it is to get this new one in here. Okay, turn this off here. Now if you got a lot of dirt and all up in here, it's a good idea to wash your truck before you do this, because you don't want to be getting no dirt up in there. I thought the Fords were a little easier, being on the top of the block and all, but I like that this is an actual canister style filter instead of just the cartridge. My hands are just way too big for this stuff. Alright, now I'm playing a guessing game. Oh, I think I found it. I'll tell you what. I'm getting lucky today. Real lucky. That little red plug really helped out. So I'm a bigger guy, if you can hear me breathing. Alright, how long are these damn threads? Alright, there we go. I'm just going to give it a little snug. Don't want to scratch that oil filter up, so I use a rag. I think we're good. Now we're good. This is my first time owning a Cummins, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I mean, you know, it's only got about 10,000 miles on it, so time will tell. Alright, y'all, you all know how to put oil in the thing, so it's right there. Hardest part was that oil filter. I'll spray some fluid down there too and get that residue that's sitting on top of that lip there. Alright everybody, check you later.